We're going to take this bowl and take it from a nice smooth edge to textured using a method called chattering. Let's do it. What chattering is, basically, is when the wheel is on and spinning, you're going to hold your carving tool, or whatever tool you use. I'm personally going to be using this tool for this one, but you hold it so that it bounces off the edge of this, leaving gouges in the side that give it texture. To make that happen, normally when you are carving or trimming, you're going to hold the tool real close to the end, right? Your fingers are going to be near the end like this. You might have a second hand on the piece or here, and you're pressing it in, and you get these nice long strips like this. You know, you're carving out these nice long strips. When you're doing chattering, you basically do the opposite of that. You hold the tool near the end and you let it ride along this edge and give it some flexibility so that it can bounce a little bit. I'm going to be using this end of the tool here. I feel that chatters really well. And normally when I use this tool, I would hold it at about this angle. Whenever you're chattering, you basically turn it about 45 degrees into the direction that the wheel is spinning. So you're gouging into the pot. So let's go ahead and see what that would look like. So I'm going to hold it. Again, I'm holding it so that it will touch the surface and bounce back. And if you listen, you can hear kind of a grindish sound. And I don't know if you can see, the pieces that are coming off here are these tiny little chunks of clay. I didn't mention this before. You do this at the stage where it is leather hard and you're doing your trimming. And you can alter the texture of chattering by how hard you're holding the tool, how far away from the piece it's being, and also how fast you run the wheel. So let's take a look at this. You can see the chattered pieces here. We have a little bit of texture. It's not a lot. It's a very subtle textured pattern, but that would be enough for, for the glaze to have something to play with. I'm going to actually go a little bit farther than that by speeding up the wheel. Look at the angle that this tool is in here. And now you can see that is definitely more pronounced. You can get different amounts of texturing based on the tools that you use for this process. So I like this one though. I want a little bit more texture. So there we have it. Now, what I like to do is to have a bit of a smooth top to my bowls. So you can see here, I haven't textured or chattered all the way to the edge. I like to leave a nice lip on the edge that's still smooth. And that way this kind of, again, gives variety for the overall bowl. And that is chattering.